14 drivers, 2.5 miles of the meanest roads in Dale, Texas. 1 helicopter, but only 3 trophies. Which of these drivers come out on top? Stay tuned to find out.
Well, it's a sunny day here in Dale, Texas for the first annual and first ever Do It for Dale Texas Rally Sprint, starring Tom Williams. He's from England. Tom, what's it like being from England and coming all the way here to Texas to drive a car in a field?
I like to make your event safe.
Thank you.
Give you some good rules. Rules.
Let's continue. This car was sitting in the boneyard for 2 years, has had this many feet of testing time. I saw it pull out of the shop for the first time under its own power in 2 years about an hour ago.
I don't even have words. Like, I feel so fucking loved.
Yesterday when I was wrecking the forest stages, I was like, look, all right, this is really tight. It's my first time in the car, my first real rally. I'm gonna take it slow in the woods. Second I get in there, big jump, full send. It's so fun, dude.
Got a VR6 in this bad boy and she's loud.
I just tried avoiding the trees, man. That's it, you know. But I will say, this is the most fun that you can have with your pants on, 100%.
Yeah, I took mine off halfway through. And it was still fun as hell.
I'm gonna try, you know.
What's the plan?
Shake and bake, baby.
Congratulations, everybody.
It's a good ass day.
All right, yeah, woo! Round of applause for all of our competitors. Man, that was great job, everybody. Great job. In first place, we had Justin Lofton. Number 1, Justin, Foxy Boy. Number 2, we had Jeff, or half of Jeff. Woo, yeah, go Jeff. Third place, we had Jared Taylor. Just needs to chill a little bit, bro. It's not that serious. Good Lord. So that's the good news. Those guys won, so congrats to them. And the good news for you is that's not our only Rally Sprint. 2023 is jam-packed. We got a full calendar. It's the Roadrunner Cup, first ever Rally Sprint Championship. Starts with the Rally Ranch Classic, March 3rd and 4th. We got the Lost Pines Rally Sprint, June 30th to July 1st. October 27th to 28th is the Rally Austin Rally Sprint at Rally Ready Driving School at the Rally Ranch. If you like the word rally, you've come to the right place. And then we wrap it up with the Do It for Dale, Texas Rally Sprint, again, December 16th, 17th, 2023. We need volunteers, we need competitors, we need spectators, we need sponsors. If you fit any of those 4 things, which basically means if you're a human who made it this far in the video, you're probably pre-qualified. Shoot us an email. Come see us at the Rally Ranch. And as always, we got lots of fun rally schools. We love you. See you soon. Smash that. I'm not gonna say it.